Hi everyone, I've got another little charm bracelet I'm going to do real quick, and I'm going to show you how to put a link on or put a charm on, and then we'll be back and I'll show you how to put the beads on. So I've got to find where this opens at. Oh, and on the ends, whenever you have a toggle, I've been putting 3 together to make a little chain. That way it makes it where the toggle will work a whole lot easier. We're going to put it about the middle. One more. Yeah, I think we're about middle that ways there. Then we'll take the paw print. And this is where I drop everything. Because I can't get a good grip on it. And I thought using them would work better, but... Alright, let's try it one more time. If I could just hang on to it. And I'm using 5mm, and I've got to use all these up, and I've got a huge bag of them. I mean, I've got at least 1,000 or more. It might be 10,000 of them. So let me try to get it in that one, and I can't get a good enough grip on it. Let's see. Whew, I got it. Y'all, you don't know how hard I fight with these little jump rings. It's like a war. Yeah, I've got it. Okay. So what we'll do is I'll put the rest of these on. Then we'll come back. I don't know. Yeah, those are the ones that are swirled on. I don't know if we'll be able to wrap it around or not. I've unwrapped that one. I don't think I'll be able to do them that way. I'll have to probably use jump rings. But we'll be back and we'll put the beads on next. And I've got all our little puppy dog charms on there for all those dog lovers out there. And now we're going to put our beads on. And I'm doing red because... well, a lot of red because people love their puppies. And, yeah, there's a lot of pet owners out there that just love their puppy dogs. And I'm going to show you how to open up these, and we'll put these on because these are the ones that were already twisted down, so they're on ball pins. It's a little ball. But yeah, they're already twisted down. And all you do is you take your head pin, go through it, take your round nose and roll it down. But you probably need to cut it about a little over a 1/2 inch above it. You can cut it a little bit over a 1/2 inch above it. So, yeah, I'm using up some that were already rolled down. Good way to use up some beads that you needed to use up. And we're going to hang it on the same side as where we were with the charms. I don't think I've got a good grip on it. There. Now, send them offline, that won't work. Now, let's get another. Open it up. Put our bead on. We'll just put it in another spot. I try not to hang it the same hook as the charm because you really want the charm to show. And that's all we'll be doing is just hanging beads on now. And I'll come back and show you what it looks like finished. My sister has dogs, or they have two. Oh wow, that is not out there. It was just caught. Let's see. One of their dogs sort of looked like that. And our neighbor has a little pug. So I'm going to put these on and I'll be back and I'll show you what it looks like finished. Okay. Yeah, I've got all the little beads on. I think they turned out pretty. It's for all those dog lovers out there. Yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking it out to the end and liking and subscribing. And I'll see you on the next one. Y'all take care out there. Bye-bye.